Hello everyone, myself Monisha Acharya and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today I'm here to talk to you about the topic reservation in service case judgment. Yes, this case talk about the reservation for Marathi people. The case was Jayashree Lakshman Rao Pachal versus CM of Maharashtra, Supreme Court judgment of 2021. So basically, what were the facts of the cases? In 2017, Maharashtra government established the State Backward Class Commission. The commission goal of this was to give social upliftment to the people, to the social and backward class people. This commission first chairman was Justice Gaikwad. He gave many recommendations for this commission and said that there should be 12% of reservation given to the Maratha people in educational institutions and 13% of reservation seats should be given in public services. All this recommendation was followed by the Maratha, or you can say Maharashtra government, regarding the reservation. And the government introduced Socially and Educationally Backward Classes Act SEBC 2018. As earlier recommendation suggested that 12% and 13% of reservation, but SEBC Act provided reservation of 16%. As in landmark case of the Indira Sahni case, which was earlier decided by the Supreme Court. In this case, the judgment was given that ceiling limit should not be above 60% for the reservation. And in Indira Sahni case, it was said that on 16 November 1992, the Indira Sahni case judgment was given by the 9-judge bench of the Supreme Court with a 6/3 majority. The backward class of citizen in Article 16 Clause 4 can be identified with the caste system and not just on an economic basis. Article 16 Clause 4 allowed the classification of backward classes into backward and most backward classes. No reservation in promotion. Article 16 Clause 4 is not an exception of Article 16 Clause 1. The article is an instance of classification. Reservation can be made under Article 16 Clause 4. Backward classes in Article 16 Clause 4 were not similar to socially and educationally backward in Article 15 Clause 4. Reservation shall not exceed 50%. Creamy layer must be excluded from the backward classes. Permanent statutory body to examine complaint of over-inclusion or under-inclusion. Dispute regarding new criteria can only be raised in the Supreme Court, and if any state exceeds the limit of 50%, it will be declared as void. But after SEBC Act 2018, ceiling limit was increased from 50% to 68%. So when it exceeds the criteria, then this act, SEBC Act 2018, was challenged in the Supreme Court. So the question raised in the Supreme Court was that this act carries substantive question of law, means the question is raised on the act's validity. Supreme Court of India held in this case that on 5th May 2021, court held that the Indira Sahni case should be observed and ceiling limit should not exceed the 50%. Recommendation of Justice Gaikwad does not carry any extraordinary condition, means on which ground these recommendations are based. And Supreme Court mentioned that after 102 amendment of Indian Constitution state power to establish backward class was decreased, and now any state cannot declare any particular society and class as a backward class. Now this responsibility is shifted to the president, and the state can only give recommendation to the president that in case if they want to make any class as a backward class, and the president with the help of parliament can can category of backward class if needed only. Means they can categorize the backward class when they think that there is a need to. So, at the end, Supreme Court cancelled the SEBC Act as well as the Maratha Reservation. So, I hope you have understood this case law. For more information and more knowledge, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and do like, share, and comment. Thank you.